Hello and welcome to this channel. I hope you all are doing good. My this session is regarding the current affairs of 30th of August. So let's start the session. Okay, first I will discuss about famous personality Bhikaji Kama. So on 30th August 1936, Bhikaji Kama passed away. Born to an extremely wealthy Parsi business family, Bhikaji Kama received her early education in Bombay. Influenced by an environment in which the Indian nationalist movement was taking root, she was drawn towards political issues at an early age. In 1885, she married Rustamji Kama, a well-known lawyer, but her involvement with socio-political issues led to differences between the couple. Because of mental problems and her poor health, which required medical attention, Kama left India for London. So it was in London that Bhikaji Kama met Dadabhai Nauroji and inspired by his ideals plunged into the freedom movement. She also began to meet with other nationalists like Shyamji Verma, Lala Hardayal and soon became one of the active members of the movement. She began to publish booklets for the Indian community in England, propagating the cause of Swaraj, March Forward, We Are for India, India is for Indians. She also toured US where she gave speeches on the ill effects of British rule, and she also toured US where she gave speeches on the ill effects of British rules and urged Americans to support the cause of India's freedom. In 1907, she unfurled in Germany the first tricolour of Free India. Shyamji Krishna Verma collaborated with her in designing this tricolour. On 26 January 1962, the Department of Post and Telegraph issued a postage stamp in her honour. So this was all about Bhikaji Kama. Okay, next we have about MRI scanner. So first India made MRI scanner to be launched for clinical work in October. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh launches India's first indigenously developed affordable lightweight ultra fast high field next generation MRI, that is magnetic resonance imaging, in New Delhi. So what is the context of this news? So in MRI, helium most commonly used as a coolant in large superconducting magnetic powering MRI scanners. So what is the issue here? So there are some shortage of helium. Since 2006, the world has been battling a shortage of helium, the second most abundant element in the universe, but a rare commodity on Earth. The only way to source helium is to extract it from natural gas reserves. Helium's most common use. So what are the substitute for helium? A new class of MRI scanners is designed to avoid reliance on liquid helium and to rapidly cool the scanner's magnets. The far cheaper and more abundant liquid nitrogen can be used. Right. So what is MRI? So MRI, it is used to provide three-dimensional image of tissues, and the best bet for warning of nascent tumors continues to be inaccessible to several Indians. The Science and Technology Ministry estimates that India currently has some 4,500 MRI scanners, a third of what is required given the population. The scarcity means higher cost, with prices ranging from rupees 5,000 to rupees 50,000 for an MRI scan, depending on the requirements. So there's some cost issues. Customized machines made by multinational companies can cost anywhere from rupees 5 crore. Refurbished machines set up in some hospitals cost rupees 1.5 crore to 3 crore. So Voxel Grid's MRI scanner, which employ 1.5 Tesla magnets, will be 40% cheaper than the new models. India will address many of these problems by making available the first indigenously developed MRI scanner, which is affordable compared to already available machines. Next news we have about Kanchipuram silk and sarees. In 2005, the government of Tamil Nadu applied for GI for Kanchipuram sarees. The government of India has recognized it as a geographical indication officially since the year 2005 and 2006. As of 2008, an estimated 5,000 families were involved in sari production. There are 25 silk and cotton yarn industries and 60 dyeing units in the region. Now the world has become a global village. Kanchipuram saris are available the world over. However, the production of these beautiful saris is still centered in Kanchipuram, a small town located on the Pala river in South India, also called Kanchi. The town is renowned for its silk industry and its temples. Kanchipuram sari woven from pure mulberry silk are found in myriad colors. Kanchipuram silk saree can cost anywhere between rupees 10,000 to rupees 1 lakh. The intricate process of getting the saree ready involves dyeing of the new raw silk, drying it under the scorching sun for 4 to 5 hours, and spinning, warping, and finally weaving. So why the demand has been decreased? So demand for the saris is declining due to shifting fashion trends, competition from the faster power looms, and the availability of cheaper artificial silk. This shift has led to job losses and a drop in revenue for the weavers. Pandemic also had a negative impact on the industry. So what are the concerns for the industry? So major concern of the weaver is that their generation may be the last to practice the profession, leaving no one to carry their legacy. Right. Okay, so these were the important issues for current affairs. Thank you. Stay tuned.